Good morning, guys. Today we're going to Speed Life Motorsport to get my oil changed, and we're going to do the rest of the day in the life after that. But I'm late, so let's get rolling. We're going to Haverhill. I have a serious question for you, though. Do you even vape, bro?
No.
No? Okay.
That goes for Subies.
Oh my god. Brief trip to Speed Life is done. Everything is all set. Now we're headed home. I think I'm gonna go hang out for a little bit, and then we're going to Pawinn, and then car meet tonight. What are we doing?
Unplugging this brake booster. And then just plugging this in, and then basically you just go.
What are we gonna do? What are we gonna
Start the car.
No, what are we gonna slurp up?
Seafoam. It's gonna be fun.
I've never used seafoam before. I've just seen videos on the internet.
And me too. Well, it's a start.
Oh, it just says the F word in the background. About to get. Actually, I'm gonna go over here. About to get some drank in the car.
That's it.
Did we drink all that? Mm-hmm. Look at this heroic Pawinn shot. I have low battery now. I'm gonna go change my battery. All better. We have 15 minutes to wait, so I'm just kind of filming random nonsense. Insert time lapse here. I'm ready. It's coming straight towards you. Shut the door. Shut the door. Oh, now it's gone. No more. You just shot it right at me.
I'm gonna drive it aggressively. Okay?
Really?
I'm gonna drive it just around here.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh, it smells. Dude, it smells like a barbecue and it looks like it's broken.
No, it's getting about...
So Pawinn did the Prius motor mod where the turbo is actually fake. The whole engine is fake. The real engine is back here and it's all batteries and a Prius motor. And the noises are fake too. That's how we're getting 52 miles a gallon.
You wanna see my range? Apparently I can go 600 miles.
Oh, sick, dude.
I know, right?
Ooh, nice backfire. Probably just smoked out everybody behind us. Oh well, YOLO. Yep.
lot of boost. Hey, where's your 6th gear? I don't have a 6th gear. Shut up.
Knock it. Oh hey, didn't see you there. Here in my garage. Woo! Boom.
This is my like therapeutic time. Just lie here and then...
Under a 3,500 pound object that could fall off the ramps and crush
I like
you.
the adrenaline rush.
Oh my god. Getting man bun to the face over here. Man bun to the face, damn. Girls would die for that, dude. Bye bye. Dad, you wanna say hi to YouTube? I kinda look like my dad, right? Do you see that?
I'm much more beautiful.
Oh my god. Anyway, going to a birthday party now, and I'm not gonna film that because that's not YouTube related. And then I'm going to a car meet, which I will film. So I will catch you guys at the car meet.
Meet up with me. I told him, meet me here. He's like,
Hi, Mina. Bye.
I'm not gonna. Lady was in the shower drain. Let him know.
Catch me and hold me and don't let me fall. Let yourself be free and
Hop back in the car real quick to end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life thing. Everybody's looking at me like I'm crazy, but I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life video. I had a great day. I hope that comes across on camera. I'm not sure how the shots from this meet came out because they're pretty dark, so forgive me if they're not the greatest. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see videos like this more often, comment below, let me know, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Hi. Ooh, that's real close.
You zoom in on my man bun?
Yeah. I'm literally gonna use none of this footage. It's probably all gonna go at the end of the video. Thanks for watching, bye!